How to fix Telegram problem easily and fast. So hello guys and welcome back into this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to do it easily and fast. So first thing is go into the settings on your phone, and when you go into the settings, all what you want to do now is very simple. Just click on the apps manager like that, open the apps, and now when you open the apps manager on this page, you are gonna find all the apps that you have. Scroll until you find Telegram and click on it. When you click on Telegram, now all what you want to do next is very easy. Just force stop the app, and after that click on storage, click on clear cache, and then go back again, click on the power usage details, disable the power consumption alert, and restart your mobile phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.